What if NASA's Voyager 1, drifting alone in the darkness, suddenly detected something impossible? A mysterious signal, billions of miles from Earth, no planets, no asteroids, just the unknown. This is the moment everything changed. But just recently, it detected something moving. And no, this isn't a planet. In early 2025, NASA scientists analyzing data from Voyager 1 picked up something strange. Its plasma wave sensor recorded unexpected vibrations, almost like something had passed through the surrounding space. No known planet, no asteroid, and too far from the sun for solar winds. So what exactly was it? Voyager 1 left Earth nearly 50 years ago. It flew past Jupiter and Saturn, then continued straight out. In 2012, it crossed the Heliopause, the invisible boundary, where the sun's influence ends, and became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. Now, in 2025, it's more than 150 astronomical units away. That's over 14 billion miles from us. Out here, the environment is different. Cold, sparse, mostly plasma-charged particles drifting through the galaxy. And yet, something just disturbed that plasma. Voyager's instruments recorded a brief, sharp rise in plasma wave intensity. It wasn't a burst from the sun. It wasn't cosmic background noise. Something physically passed through or interacted with the interstellar plasma near Voyager. But what? Here's what scientists are considering. A rogue interstellar object like a comet or asteroid from another star system. Debris from our own Oort Cloud ejected long ago, now floating far from the sun. Or possibly a magnetic structure, something like a plasmoid, drifting through space unseen, no visible image, just a ripple in the dark. This region of space is mostly empty. Voyager hasn't encountered this kind of signal in years. But now, decades after its primary mission ended, it's detecting new movement out where no spacecraft has gone before. Even small objects, just a few meters wide, can produce plasma disturbances at these distances. But this one was different, stronger, quicker, and too brief to identify. Voyager doesn't have a camera anymore, only instruments that measure plasma, particles, and magnetic fields. So, all we have is the data and the questions it raises. If it was a rogue object, this could be only the second interstellar visitor we've ever observed after Oumuamua. And this time, not from Earth, but from deep space itself. If it was a magnetic disturbance, it could teach us more about how the galaxy itself behaves. Either way, it proves Voyager is still delivering scientific surprises. Nearly 50 years after launch, whatever moved past Voyager, we may never see it again. But it left a mark in the data, in history, and in the imagination of everyone watching the stars. As the data settles and the world turns its gaze elsewhere, a profound silence follows. Out in the endless dark, Voyager continues its lonely journey, its instruments humming quietly, still listening, still searching. For a brief moment, something unknown crossed its path, leaving behind only questions and wonder. We pause now, letting the silence speak. In these 2 seconds, imagine the vastness billions of miles from home, where a single fleeting signal can shake our understanding of the universe. Sometimes, the most powerful discoveries aren't loud or clear. They're whispered in the void and heard only by those who dare to listen.